Alright guys, here's another unboxing video of mine. I'm super excited for this brand new product I got. I just purchased it from the store. I'm so excited I can't even open this. Alright, I purchased this because this is an amazing product. It is compact and it fits into my pocket, which has the actual name Osmo Pocket. Let's open it. Oh man, I need a key for this one. Not that great, but I think I damaged the package. So a bunch of junk, instructional manuals here, and so much waste of paper. I don't know. What's that stuff inside? What's this? A bunch of cables. Oh, I don't have a USB-C cable here. Okay. Okay, let me unveil this brand new product here. Actually, I have no idea how to open this thing. How much? Okay, here we go. I'm supposed to remove this, I guess. And remove this. Yeah, I think this is only for the iPhone. How do I put this inside? I think it's like this. Okay. Oh, it's on now. It works. English. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let me try to hook this up to my iPhone. So done. No SD card. I guess it's pretty intuitive, I guess. You know. Alright, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna go through the functions and all that stuff. I'm just gonna, this is supposed to be an unboxing, but that's for another video, like the functionalities and stuff. But I can't wait using it. It's very compact, so it fits into my pocket. That's why I bought this. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time.